Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Java Trap. This is a new video going to tell you how to make a simple adding program of two numbers, and will make you aware about many functions used in Java. So let's start without wasting your time. I have already opened NetBeans. You should open it. Okay, now you can see there's a icon of folder. Click on that. Now here are the many type of projects you can make according to your need, but I will make Java application. Next, activating SS. This is because I am making project for the first time in my newly installed NetBeans. It will be taking some time. Please wait. If it will take a much more time, I will be skipping the video. Okay. Oh, now the window has appeared. You can write name of your project. I am writing add. Now click on finish. It will take some time. Okay, this is the Java class form. We are not using this time a Java class but a Java free form. You can click on your project add button, source package, add, and then right click on add. Hover on new frame, new, and then click on JFrame form. Okay, you can write the name of the JFrame you need. Okay, and writing add. Okay, add already exists, so add number. This is the design which you can create using the palettes. If by chance this palette does not appear here, you can go to the window and you can select here palettes. Oh, got it. Window ID tools, palettes, properties. Okay, these both are already available here, and these are the much important ones. Now go to palettes and pick up a label and drop it on the frame. Resize the label according to your need. Right click on it. As already properties window is open, you can go on it, text j label 1, click and write add. Add center, horizontal line center, font size now. Redeem. Okay, this should be more bigger. 24. That's enough. Yeah. If you don't find that, you can also right click on the label and go to edit text, or just click on the label and press space bar. Now drag drag our label, drag our more label and drop, resize, space bar, press Ctrl D so that duplicate it. Okay, now go to the palette and select text field. This is used to get input from the user. Drop it, resize, Ctrl D, space bar. Okay, now drop a button. This is here. Resize, space bar. Right here, add, or whatever you want. Now let's see the design of it. You can go to source and right click, run file. It's running. It will take a little much time because it's first time. Yeah, output is ready. Now you can see our frame is on corner side. We want to bring it here at the starting of program. Close. You can see here public add number and init component. Below init component you write a code which I am going to write. Minimize this. Okay, now again run your program. There is another way to run the program. Click on here. There's a problem. Press shift F6. Okay, you can see your frame is in the center of program window. Close the window and then start coding. Go to design, click on add button, events, action, action performed. Okay, this is the area where we have to write the code for the button. Delete the line and just follow my instructions. Write int and no one is equals to integer dot parse int j text 1 dot get text. Yeah, then again copy it and paste the text field to no 2, then declare another variable no3 is equals to no1 plus no2. Now you have to paste this variable in a text field 3. Okay, I forgot to add the text field 3. Add it. Okay, control C, control V. Okay, these are here. Move them down. This is the text field 3. Result. Okay, now go on the coding panel, source code, and then right here j text field 3 dot set text double quote start plus no3. Okay, now run the program. Shift F6 or right click and run file according to your wish. Now type number 1 45 and number 2 5, whatever you want. Click on add button. 50. That's really working. Now friends, let me explain you the full coding. You think it's an easy one, but it really is a very difficult task. Okay, first of all we declare a variable int no1 in the int declaration type. There are the 4 declaration which we can make: int, long, float, and double. These are the 4 classes in which we can declare the variables according to our needs. Int is a type in which we can declare the integer type variable, like if we want to store values like 50, 40 and many more. While long is an extended type of the int in which we can store huge values like 10 lakh, 40 lakh, 50 lakh, which are the integer but are quite long in the length. Float is used to store decimal type values of the smaller length, and again double is an extended type of the float which is used to store huge values. Now integer parseInt is a method which is used to convert the data which we have get from the text field 1. Actually, when we use the getText method, we get the data from the text field 1, and which is in the form of the string, which is another variable declaration type used to store characters, alphabets, sentence, etc. A is equals to is a string type. Okay, when we get the text from the text field 1 using the getText method, it is in the form of the string. Integer parseInt method is used to convert this text field 1 text into integer type, and we can perform the operation on that integer type. In case we are using the long, then we have to write long and no 4 is equals to long dot parse long dot get text, while for the double and float we are replacing this long everywhere by double and float respectively. Now we added the two numbers n1 and n2 which are the input of the user in the text field 1 and the text field 2. Okay, now we use another method called the set text, which is used to paste the value in text field. We pasted the no3, which is the sum of both of these. Now if we remove this, there is an error. You see, this is because no2 is an integer type, not of the string, while the set text method can paste only the string values. Now if we remove no3 and write here something again, there is not an error. You got that? I think so. You have got my point. Okay. So to convert no3 into a string type, we use this concatenation, which is a higher level, and you will be understanding this by watching my tutorials. Okay. Now if you wanted to make an subtraction program, just replace the sign by minus for the division, divide, for multiplication, multiply. But I suggest you to, for division, you should write here double, double, because if you divide 5 by 2, it's 2.5. In case no3 is an int, it will display 2 only, while if no3 is an 5 divided by 2 button, it will display 2, while if it is in double type, it will display 2.5. Divided by 2, click the button. There's something problem. Let me see. Two point zero again. I think so. You should have to take here also double. Now run the program. Divided by 2, 2.5. Yeah, you have to take the input also in the double type so that you could perform the task. Now I think so that this tutorial must be very useful to you. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.